Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Friday, September the 3rd, y'all. It's been chaotic and crazy and everything. I just need time to unwind and try to figure out everything in my life. It is time to really unwind, think. Where are you going? What are you doing? What are you going to do? What's going on? Lord, talk to me. Okay? So that's why I'm here with you guys. Guys, thank you for tuning in to another video. Okay? Today is a good day, but it has been a challenging day. But I know talking to you guys, time to reflect with you guys has really helped me, because I do have a lot of smart people on my channel, I believe, with some good advice. And yeah. So I'll catch you on the flip side. She wasn't going to vlog today, okay? And I said, today, the devil is a lie. You a lie? I don't care what kind of things you keep throwing my way. I'm trying to pass every test that I can, y'all. But sometimes it could be a little challenging. So I was thinking too, I'm thinking about going live maybe Sunday, and maybe I'll put it in the community tab if I go live, so we can chit chat. It's just so much, y'all, so much. I'm not gonna go into detail on this video, but trust and believe me. But I got a beautiful blessing, y'all. The baby is here. Yes, he was born on September the 1st. He is so beautiful. I'll throw in a card somewhere here of me holding him. Hopefully it's okay with them. Yeah, so I'm grateful for that. Like, that was one of the highlights of my week. Just one of them. The rest of the highlights were good. Let me see. Bills are paid. So that is a highlight. My bills are paid. Some of the things around here have been done, and y'all already know that. I'm grateful for that as well. Grateful, I feel like I said, the baby, the bundle of joy. And that kind of took my focus off of other things. So, yeah. So, guys, word of today, this is some tea time, but we got pineapple juice. So get your tea, your coffee, your orange juice, your water, whatever it is you drink. A time to reflect on really how good God is. I always say, you know, we might be going through things, but guys, trust me, there is a plan behind everything. Everything. I want to shed a tear right here, but I will not. But I do believe in my heart there is something behind everything, you know. I lost a friend who I still think about. You guys, I already told y'all the story. You know, I was thinking about, I picked up my mom yesterday, went to go see the baby. Just grateful that I was able to get her and take her. It's like God orchestrated my day yesterday to do that. It's just so many things that we go through, but we still have to be thankful, grateful, blessed. And it's a day of abundance. So guys, with that being said, today is Friday, September the 3rd. Please remember, every day is a day of abundance. I don't know who this is for, but it's for me. I have to remember when I want to shed that tear. It is a day of abundance. Reflect on the good, y'all. Don't always reflect on the bad and the things that come up, because things are going to come up every single day. Okay, I'm a living witness, testimony, all that stuff. How things just come up, and it's like, how I'm going to deal with it, because you gave it to me. So you're testing me and you're trying me to see how I'm going to deal with it. God gave us patience. Galatians, patience, kindness, meekness, all that, joy. We got to pass the test, not passed out in the test. So let's take a sip. Thanks for tuning in to Tea Time. But anyway, guys, yeah, I'm just trying to enlighten you guys on things, and just take the focus off of what's be going on to what you're going to do with it. So let me just show y'all something real quick, y'all. So yesterday I was in the we were in the garage, and not yesterday, the other day, just cleaning out some stuff in the garage, and I came across, let me show y'all in a minute. Let me make sure that we are not too light. Oh, forgot to show y'all. Outfit of the day, right? What's she thinking about? Outfit of the day. Hey, what you got to say? Y'all, nothing but a cream colored t-shirt. My leopard flats. Ding, 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 ding. Blue jean Gap jacket and the blue jean Gap distressed jeans. Guess you guys can see down here, distressed. Yeah, hair's looking kind of crazy, but I forgot to twist her back up. But anyway, let me flip this camera over and show you what I found in the garage that's going to help us out. I know a lot of y'all be saying y'all like the yard. So here's the yard without the chairs. The chairs are currently over there. We've been having so much rain. But yeah, I'm going to come out here in a minute and I'm going to, these are so dry. But I wanted to show y'all how we are doing with the green beans. Now, I better not have had, okay, can y'all see? There's 2 there. There's more here. So I said on the other video, on the other channel, I will do a detailed video. And then, look, y'all. Remember the time? It's blooming. And you can eat these flowers, y'all. So, yeah. But anyway, this is the piece of wood that we got out of the garage. And it's really long. So, I'll show you where we're going to end up putting that. So, you guys know we needed another piece of wood. So, I don't know how long that's going to go. It probably won't go all the way to the end. But however far, I think we can start over here and bring it this way, or start here and bring it there. It all depends on how it's going to look per se when we put it up there. But we had to go over it with a fresh coat of paint. And yeah, I think I got something else to show y'all. Oh, the bathroom. I'll tell you guys from the last time when I think I got some pieces of wood. So in the bathroom here, awfully bright, but there's the wood. Yeah, if I turn the light on, it's gonna be too bright. But I don't know if you guys can see, but there's the wood here, and here it is. So we make it like a tray ceiling. So we got this one, and then we need a piece here, and then we have a piece here. So we have to finish this and that, and yeah, it will be done. So yeah, guys, that's kind of all I got for you guys today. I'm still waiting on somebody to buy plants for me. I'm tired of the plants. Oh, one more thing. Can y'all see the new, this is new. This black hook, metal hook. It's really nice. But yeah, wanted to show you guys that. And yeah, guys, I don't know what else in this video, but it has been a great day. But I will see you on the flip side. Hold the line, please. All right, y'all, I came back for a minute because, oh, I forgot to show y'all one other thing. But y'all, thank you so much for all your comments about how I keep my home. Y'all, I just like a clean home, because to me, a clean home is peace. To me, it's just peace, because it's like you don't have to do anything if you put everything back where it belongs, and you don't be as stressed out as you would if you got to go to work during the day. Then you got to come home and clean and all that kind of stuff. It's not good on your now what's wrong with this? It's not good on your mental. I just bought these, y'all. It's not, I think probably have to adjust this little thing here. But it's not good on your mental or your physical to be stressed out, okay? So I am going to tell you guys that. But if you're wondering what I'm burning, I'll tell you in a second. They don't actually, I got these from Walmart, but these were frankincense, but I just kept the tin can. But this is actually, I'm waiting until it burn. Okay, there we go. This is actually, and I think I got these from Dollar Tree. They are aromatherapy. You get 40 of them. These are root, which is non-chopper. So that's the, let me show y'all real quick. So that's it. That's what it looks like. And you get 40 of these. I just kept the paper, and I'm going to set this in the front room. So guys, yeah, but thank you so much for your lovely comments about the, how I keep, you know, the house clean or whatever. So yeah. That's just what I do, y'all. I've always been that way. That's what I do. So I'm going to put this in here. But I came back because I wanted to show you guys something. Let me set this here. Y'all, I just love for it to smell so good in the house. I do have to leave back out, but in the meantime, I wanted to burn her. I did remove, y'all, I did a switcheroo here. I did switcheroo here. So I put the beads on the table with that for now. And guys, I did put this chair here. Let me know what y'all think. I put the chair here with that there. And then I put the plant here just to see how I do. Because remember, this was her home in the beginning. And then for some odd reason, she just seemed like she not, look at this. And they're droopy. And her y'all, sorry, soil is moist. Not real moist, but I'm just gonna let it dry out some more. I don't know what's going on, but I'm nervous right now a little bit. Look at that. She's not doing too good. So I moved her back over here just to see how well she'll do. So yeah. So I just came back. I'll see you guys. Hold on. I had to come back real quick, y'all. I'm finally using my wild rice that I hauled from the last couple of hauls. Go back over on the other channel where I did a Whole Foods haul. But I'm using my wild rice. I'm gonna find a container or a bag that I can put these in so I can get rid of this plastic container. I don't like doing plastic containers, and I went on and used the black bean salad, and I ate this because y'all, she hungry, okay? But here's my stuff here. I'm boiling the wild rice. So basically, I'm just gonna use these and make wraps and add the rest of this Gouda cheese to it, and I'm gonna cut up this cilantro and put it in. So, but this is what it looks like. So that's for dinner, and I'll just throw in a picture of what the dinner looked like. But so far, that's what's going on. That's the rice there. All right, y'all, that's going to do it for me today. I hope you enjoyed that clip of the dinner. It was amazing. But guys, always remember, love yourself so that you be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Y'all believe that, right? Let me know. So when I say it, I hope y'all repeating. So let's say it again. Love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all. Bye.